one
is mythic. Yeah.
someone's saying legend. I would love to see you be a legend. Sif Lau, I will remember that name. Hopefully I see it. If I don't, I don't know.
Those are false promises. Yeah.
We have a lot of counts and dukes and barons.
Yeah, dukes is fine. But yeah, I think it'll be pretty cool just to have like an extra title right beside your name for how hard you're working in the game, I guess. And the character rank and the family rank will work just the same. Family rank is going to be based on family CP. And character rank is going to be the character CP that you generally see. Family rank is everything put together, you know, that separation. And with that, we also have different ranking system, and this is for the life skill rank. And we have different titles for that. Top 100, top 50, top 8, top 3, number 2, number 1 for all different categories. So that includes everything life put together. There's also fishing, there's also logging, mining, and foraging. You'll get some separate titles for that. So that's another update to the rank system. You'll get some more flashy appearance updates for that. And
it's gonna be beautiful.
I don't need to be an idol or anything. I'm fine just being a boss. The boss of fishing.
Is that there?
Like the boss of fishing.
Oh, that's the third one.
Dude, if I'm the boss of fishing, I'm like basically an otter.
Yeah. You're basically an otter, yeah.
They believe they're the best.
I'm like amazing.
Yeah. Do any of you guys fit in this category? Like, I know like some people just go flat out with life skills. Like, they don't combat at all.
Passionately do life skills.
They just do life skills all day, every day.
I love life skills.
I know some people are going to be some people are saying like, I'll be a logging ace, I think. Oh. Number 1 should be no lifeguard. Number 1 should be no lifeguard. That's pretty good. That was pretty good. Oh, lifeguard. Shoryu 95. That was witty right there.
That is a missed opportunity.
Wow, that was like you guys are the localizer. You guys could have taken that chance.
Missed that joke, Tim.
When I was naming these, I should have. We should have considered that.
That was some smart stuff right there. Yeah. Anyway. So I guess some people kind of maybe expect like what they will be in terms of like the rank system for the life skills. So I hope you guys can expect what you're gonna get. Maybe if you get it, can be happy about it. All right. So the arena rank, a lot of people are saying show the arena ranks, how that's gonna be implemented. So here it is. It's going to be separate tiers now for the top 60%, top 40%, 20, 10, 5, 1%. Then if you get to the numerical rankings from top 100 to top 50, top 8, then number 3, 2, 1 of all the servers combined, then you will get a separate title. So the moment you become a champion means you've been playing a lot of arena.
You're not messing around.
No,
not messing around.
And you can combine your arena level with your rank on the left and create a really unique insignia next to your player name that a lot of players won't be. Other players won't.
Your nameplate will look pretty fancy.
Super fancy.
Yeah.
The fanciest even.
What, the fanciest?
Super fanciest.
Do any of you guys like in chat do any of you guys like fit into any of this category, whether it be just numerical tiers, or it's just like a separate wording for any of these like do any of you guys like fit under like top 100? That would be insane if we have any of those people in chat.
I have a lord there, top 50.
Lord, top 50? Are you sure? For all the servers combined?
I mean,
that's pretty cool. Yeah. Well, I guess that's how the arena rank will go. But yeah, that's the kind of the new rank system, how we implemented it. So we have as we showed, the character rank. We have the family rank, which is basically the character rank, same as that, but implemented based on the total family CP. Then the life skill rank, as you can see here, and the arena rank is the final implementation of this new rank system update. What happened to Hex and Marie? I already told them. Like the world boss will not longer be a thing. So that's that. But anyway, we're gonna go on to the next part of the update. This will be part of the event that's going on. That's gonna lead on to a new type of content. All right. So we have a new event that's starting. It's gonna be called Sweet Candy Bingo Event, and it's gonna involve obviously playing some bingo, and you can get some sweet candies which you can use to play the bingo on the board, as I will show you now. So I guess like playing Raminus and just playing boss rush, no task, and like defeating enemies. It's really easy to get some candies, and you can use these to play on this bingo board. All right, so you see some of the prizes here that you can win based on how you can go diagonally, you can go horizontal, vertical, and the way you can have it. You can do that. And the bingo completion award, there's obviously you can see a tier 1 pet kind of lying by for 6 lines completed. And for 9 lines, we have this unique item that we have not seen before.
What unique item?
This little key-looking thingy.
I see the key-looking thingy.
And I will show you what that key-looking thingy is going to be like. It is going to be called Shakatu's Gold Key.
And it leads to...
And it leads to something else. Let's read the description first. It says, once used, you will be granted the opportunity to participate in a Shakatu rush.
Like a boss rush, but with Shakatu?
Maybe, but it might be a little bit different. But you guys got to stay in tune for how that exactly works. But let me show you a glimpse of how the Shakatu rush is going to work. Once you get Shakatu's Gold Key as shown here, you can use it to enable the icon you can see right there on the top of your screen where there's the Shakatu's head icon is right there, just blinking, kind of like where you do with world bosses.
Yes.
It will blink just
all of
the
the fancy things are in that icon chain.
Yeah, and you can click on that and you will get this pop-up that says, are you you guys were trolling with the localization.
So
can you
wait, which part are you looking at?
It says your friend. I don't know how many people consider friend as Shakatu.
I think we forgot to put in the quotation marks on friend.
Yeah,
but this
friend.
really feels like a story of revenge for all users.
I mean, some people even love him.
Yeah.
That, like I said, love him.
I think there's a way more people that hate Shikatu than love him.
There's a lot of people that hate Shikatu. We need to get some justice for Shikatu.
Yes.
Maybe this is the way you can do it. But if you really wanted some sort of revenge on Shikatu in any shape or form, maybe this is a chance to do it. The description does clearly say...
This is everything you've ever wanted to do to Shikatu.
What would you want to do?
It says battle.
Yeah, I mean, don't trust Shikatu's merchant guild. We prepared something for you. Shikatu merchants of trust and honesty. Wow, those 2 words. I don't know.
They sing from a merchant's mouth.
Yeah. This is your chance to learn the truth. Try it now, and you can only participate after level 25. So you can't create a new character and play it.
Yes.
So this is going to be a new type of content. If you get to, as explained before, 9 completed lines on the bingo, you will get this Shakatu's Gold Key, which will enable to do this instance on the main map, and you'll be able to play a thing called Shakatu Rush, and how that is like, you guys can find out later. Yes. After the maintenance is over. All right, so that's it for the main content. There's one more minor update that I don't know how many people will be affected by, but it is dealing with the accessory resonance. It doesn't mean we'll get a brand new accessory resonance like all the way on the right. That's not what
update to the older resonate.
No, that's not that's not how this one works. This is just a kind of a simple addition for what it didn't have before. Yeah. So first resonance, the second resonance, it only used to be all branch damage 1%, all branch damage 2%. But now for +3 enhancement on the accessory and +4 enhancement on all accessories, you will now get attack +2, defense +2 for +3, and attack +4, defense +4 for all accessories on +4. So just a little addition. It's not going to break the game, obviously, but if you were previously thinking, what do I really get for having +3 enhancement on all my accessory, or what do I really get for that? You get 2 more attacks and 2 more defense.
Baby steps, baby steps.
It really is. And it was a big increment actually from what it used to be back then, from +4 to +5. Then you just got all of a sudden attack 5 and defense 5. And that felt really big. But now it's gonna be, like you said, more baby steps, just incremental here and there. So yeah, that's about it for the patch notes. Even though it is a 5-hour-long maintenance, we are looking to add a lot of the hidden data for future implementation for what we're about to introduce. So I think there's a lot of things to be excited for, and this is what you guys are going to get in terms of after today's maintenance. This is what's going to happen. So Jeremy, if you can hear us, can you switch us back to the large camera? We haven't been on the large cam for a very long time because we're reading stories.
We're full of stories.
Wow, we're so big.
I'm not used to this actually.
You're much taller than me.
I did my best.
Okay.
All right, so we're done with the patch notes. We're done with kind of the reading out stories for the Valentine's event. And as we do always, we're going to do a little beta giveaway. We call it the Golden Soup giveaway, as we do every week. And we're going to ask a question to the viewers, and you guys can provide us some answers. And then if you guys answer with good answers, we'll give out some items.
It's always
in
the
return.
stipulation with these answers.
Yeah, and like the categorization of good can go two ways in this type of giveaway. It can be golden good, like it's just this is gold, this is good stuff, and we'll give out some ancient gold coins for that. If it's good but it's like just kind of soupy at the same time, then we'll give out some special chicken soup.
I see.
as well.
This is my first time, so you guys should like guide me through
Yeah,
it.
we'll introduce you. We'll
Okay.
introduce you to the process.
Well, I mean, since it is your first time, Barry, do you want to pick out a question to maybe ask to the viewers? Like, what do you want to know from the viewers?
What does the guru of love want to know
since it is a
from the
Valentine's,
users?
since it's a Valentine's event today?
Like anything?
Anything in the world. A guru of love.
The Guru of Love.
A moment.
The Guru of Love knows everything about love.
But there might be stuff that you don't know about something else that's not about.
What about what the users know about love? Can they define love in one word?
Inside Black Desert?
Yeah, love in Black Desert.
Okay. So, what do you think is the most lovable character?
Lovable character in Black Desert.
In Black Desert.
And why?
And why?
And why?
And why is very important.
Yeah, because all right, you guys know a lot of characters from Black Desert Mobile, right? And you guys went through a lot of it. Who is the most lovable and why? We're already getting some Lara, but no explanation as to why. Oh goodness, sorcerers, because I'm not gonna read that part. There's if you guys-
Creelville Otters.
Thank God, yeah.
Creelville Otters.
Oh, go.
That's his
Jeremy,
favorite.
can you go up? Can you go up on the
Oh, that was pretty nice.
Yeah, the
Maybe
only
missed
thing that
something.
matters to him is the otters.
okay, Creelville Otters? But there's no explanation. We need explanation.
But does better need an explanation when
All
we're
right,
talking about otters?
we'll give out one
Jbaited.
reward without explanation.
Yeah.
This is the last one we're gonna give out without explanation. Jeremy, can you go back up to that user because I forgot what the name was.
Creelville Otters.
Little more.
Okay,
up
there it is.
There's it.
Jbaited from Twitch. You said Creelville Otters. Jeremy, if you can do exclamation event to show them what is up and how they are can.
If Jbaited tells me like what's his favorite otter and it matches with mine,
I know your favorite otter.
then it's gold.
Yeah.
Oh, so now
Definitely.
we're deciding between soup and gold, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Jbaited, if you're listening to us on stream, Barrow wants to know what is your favorite type of otter. If you guys match, you will get some ancient gold coins. If you don't match, you'll just get some soup. Jeremy, you need to click the new messages button down at the bottom. Yeah, just click that one.
Guy.
Yeah, and we're waiting for Jbaited his messages as to what his favorite type of.
He can also send it along with his details, right? Can he?
Yeah, no, but we can't see the details right now. We want to see what it is right now.
Well, we'll have to.
Sea otter, best water.
And if he's not gonna send it right away, then maybe you can go to a different.
Yeah, we can go to a
different
different
answer.
Eileen in Velia, because she always provides potions.
Well, that
is a fancy service.
That's common though. Like that was like the most.
The tree spirit, because the black spirit conversation with her is very sassy.
Oh. Okay.
You know,
I did.
I was going to actually mention that.
Right.
Like the tree spirit is actually the only time when
That the black spirit gets to talk.
No, and he's kind of like he's in a tough spot. It's the only time that he's kind of in a tough spot. He feels something.
Yeah.
You know, there's a flame going on.
There's a spark.
There's a spark.
A dark
That's
spark.
pretty good. I do find the conversation with Black Spirit very sassy. I agree with that. Nick Nax on Twitch. If you can send us details. And of course, Jeremy will be providing the Moobot direct link. If you want to find for yourself, just do exclamation event on Twitch. It will not work on YouTube, but it will work on Twitch. Just the exclamation event. Type that on chat, and Moobot will kindly direct you to what you need to write for the. Yeah, it tells you right there, Moobot. If you were named as a winner in a giveaway, just DM us with the following: the family name, region name, and the server name. We know that process. But yeah, that's that for now. And so we picked our second winner.
Igor.
Okay, but before we read out the answer, we need to decide the rewards fund because we haven't decided yet.
Okay.
So the first
How do we do that?
we'll give out soup because he hasn't answered back.
Okay, soup, yeah.
And the second one, I think the tree spirit deserves gold on that one.
Oh.
Yeah, the gold.
Yeah.
So can if one of our adventures on the chat figures out what's my favorite otter, can I give a gold?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
If you see anyone name your favorite otter, you can decide.
It's an actual in-game NPC.
Yes.
Oh, that gives it away, doesn't it?
No, it does. There are
Does it?
so many
There's
otters.
So many otters? Okay. All right, so Shy Pasta Y answered Igor Batali. He's always standing up even though he has a problem with his legs.
Symbol of hope.
Does that make him lovable?
Oh, that is so.
Okay.
No, the symbol of hope is my favorite part.
All right. All right. So what do we give Shy Pasawai? What do you think?
Goldie.
Is that gold?
It's super Goldie.
Okay. So we'll give Shy Pasawai over the ancient gold coins. So DM us your information, and as I said before, if you don't know what to write, just do exclamation event. You will get some information there. All right.
Peace to it.
Wait.
They said it.
Hold on, I said Porio?
I mean, they didn't spell it right, but that's your favorite one.
Where's it?
Who said it?
Beast 2F.
Oh no, yeah. I mean, he
Is
didn't
that right?
spell it right.
You have to say it, but it is your favorite otter.
Yeah, I mean, he got it kind of right. He just
Yes.
didn't spell it right.
Is that enough for you?
Is that enough?
Not enough.
I mean,
Not
but now people know
Now
which
people know what it is. All right, let's
Wait,
decide.
just choose.
Yeah, let's decide it's good enough, but it's not good enough because it spelled it incorrectly.
Okay.
So we'll give out soup for that one.
Okay,
Okay.
Soupy.
Soupy for Beast.
Beast 2F.
Beast
Soupy,
2F
Beast
on
2F, soup.
Twitch. If you're listening, just to DM us your information. We'll get us some soup. We would have given you gold, but you didn't spell it correctly. But it was close enough. We're gonna get us some soup nonetheless. All right, let's go back to the
So
current chat.
arbitrary.
Yeah, Beast 2F. Jeremy, let us go back to the modern chat. What are we gonna get?
Nobody got it.
Still, the question is like, what makes who is the most lovable character in Black Desert Mobile and why? Are we getting more answers because of it? We got some opinions for Shy, but that is not a good reason. But Shakatu because he kept calling us to visit him. A little more. Lara, her face and reaction in main story quest best meme material. Is it though? Something else. No, let's keep reading. Shakatu because he gives yellows and oranges and stuff to feed our Derek energy with. A little more. Let's get some creative action.
Substance.
Yes,
We want some good stuff. All right.
I have a few characters that I like, but
Something that makes your heart
Still
go
no.
pitter patter.
Mm-hmm. My pets because I don't need very. I don't understand that. Red Nose because he has a lot to give. I don't get it.
Oh, because red and love.
Oh no, that doesn't fly. That doesn't
But the
fly for
colors
me.
go together.
do you feel Alan Serving? What do you think about Alan Serving?
Huh? Alan Serban? He's all right. I mean, he's a painting.
Yeah.
Poor guy.
Oh no, he's in a painting.
Yeah, he's in a painting, but the painting isn't love a painting.
Yeah, that's
Hey, I like that one. The crow because it was free.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean
nothing says love like free.
Yeah, I mean I love free.
love is
Oh.
free.
Yeah, I love my 3 tier 4 crows that I
So,
got.
Accessory Maru X.
Yeah, Accessory Maru X.
I think it's a Japanese like anime name. Yeah, Accessory Maru.
Oh,
You
you guys are pretty good at this pronunciation.
Maru X. So if you're reading, if you're listening on Twitch, be sure to send us your information. If you don't know what to write, just click exclamation event and the Moobot will tell you all the direction that you need. All right, we'll get one more answer for that one. We'll move on to a different question for the last one. Zarka because he gives us gifts like it's Christmas. That is not true. He doesn't give
he
anything. He
doesn't
doesn't give
give.
anything.
I mean, he gains.
No,
As
Zarka
much as
doesn't
he
give
gives.
anything. Like I've hunted Zarka for days now, and he hasn't given me anything. The GM, he is the only one that visits my camp. Oh, jeez.
That's
That's so sad.
no, but that's
Oh my
love.
God. I
The
know.
GM